Alright guys, this is like just a little video to show that because these subs don't really have the biggest decks. Like, I play some, you know, songs that fucking make them move, but they're still pretty stiff, and they don't have the biggest excursion ever, and I'm just surprised at how much air they move. So I got Down on Me, and I'll play Bass I Love You and just show you. Really, it's kind of a pointless video, but I'm bored, so why not? Cool. Right. So that's pretty much all I've got to show you. But soon to come to the channel, this little 6-inch sub. That actually, this is the sub from that little Sony cinema system thing. Pretty much, I've been wearing it in a bit, so. My dad works at a Perspex. Well, he's a plastics fabricator, so he gets the plastics and that, and we're basically going to make a little speaker box, a little port out of Perspex or plexiglass. So that'll be a new video to show you. Other than that, there's not really going on. So yeah, have a nice day.